Alright everyone, I wanted to say thank you to the sponsor for this video series from Michigan, HolyRedeemerBurton.org Parishioners Coalition. These are the folks who covered the cost of today's videos, and I want to say thank you. And if you want to make a difference and donate, you can do so at any of the links you see on your screen. There are also clickable links down below. If you don't want to use PayPal, if you don't want to join my Patreon, you can simply go to buymeacoffee.com/DDC. And if you use any of these methods to donate, you will be on my list to receive exclusive videos, updates, pictures, and more that no one else will get to see. And each donation is appreciated, and whatever you tell me to use it for, that is where the money will go. Thank you. On with the video. What's up, guys? Well, this is it. My life is all right here. Yeah. Everything I own, everything I am. In that little space. I'll explain in a minute. All right, well, moving day, and 1 and 2. So she was right. Everything did fit in 2, but it's because of the way she packed. She knows how to pack really good. Me, I'm more of a throw it in a bag, hope it works out kind of guy. But she spent a lot of time packing things up just right. Now we have our 2 favorite tuk-tuk guys here, and they're going to take us to the new place. Trying to figure out this clothes drying rack here. It's not heavy, but it's awkward and it's a weird shape. So this is how you get things done here. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so we just moved into our apartment. This is a little walkway. There's the entrance, nice big gate for security at night. My gimbal is still packed, so I don't have that. Just a nice little walkway up to our apartment. They have a nice big common area in the back here. As you can see, next door is a Khmer wooden home. And let's go up the stairs. Yes, there are stairs. Always stairs. Luckily, we're only on the 2nd floor. There's our little rack. Okay, and this is us right here, this corner apartment. Number 108. 108, let me get the keys out. Oh. We forgot the suitcases back there. So we step inside. See if I can get some light on in here. Okay, so we got the nice big closet over here. Right now we got stuff in front of it. Remember, we just moved in. I mean, just like an hour ago. But we got a nice big closet. Of course, we got a nice big comfortable bed. It came with a bed sheet, and she was nice enough to bring a couple pillows, because the pillows I had were from my other apartment. They were there when I got there. This is the main living area. Fan. Really nice new air conditioner. That thing really blows out the cool air, so you don't have to have it on too long. And of course the fan, which is always good. And only 1 chair, but that's okay. We have a nice big desk. Sunglass already got her Buddhist thing going on there. So that's the main area. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is bigger than our last one. No spaces underneath, no racks or anything, but as you can see, the countertop is really, really huge. Like probably 3 times the size, almost, of the one where we just moved from. And we still got a bunch of space underneath. It's really big. She liked it. Now the bathroom is just a bathroom. There's the mirror. You can see my legs, sink, shower, toilet, you know, fan. It's a bathroom. It's functional and it works. And that's all I need. But first we'll be showing you guys the neighborhood, more of the neighborhood, and showing you around. The price, now I'm a little confused about the price, but I believe they wanted $90 for 1 month here, plus your electric, and $100 security deposit. Either that or it was $100 a month with a $90 security deposit. The lady doesn't speak any English, so she worked it out with Senglai, but the gist I got was that it's $90 for 1 month. So, and there was a $100 security deposit. So, that's it, almost half the price of the old place. It has all the amenities I want: fan, aircon, kitchen, and a bathroom. And of course a bed. Now it does not have Wi-Fi. I should explain that. So you will have to get your own Wi-Fi if you move in here. We're going to buy an $8 a month cell card plan that covers 1 month of data. And we're just going to use the hotspot for everything I need to do on my Chromebook over there, until we can get our own Wi-Fi. We also, even though we looked at it yesterday, one thing we both failed to notice was that it does not have a refrigerator, and that's a bummer, because that means we're gonna have to buy food like when we need it. We're not gonna be able to refrigerate, buy in bulk until we can get one. But we'll check out, see if there's any good used ones, and see where we are money-wise, and get that done hopefully soon. All right. Well, that's the apartment tour. And that's what you can get for 90 bucks here in town. The area is by Senglai. What is the name of the Sa
Cha.
No. The one there down there. The one down there.
Sa nghe.
Yeah. That's the one. The one by us. I'll show it to you anyway, because she doesn't understand. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, we're going out right now. When you move into a new neighborhood, you need to find your new favorite things. Like, where do I find a good cup of coffee for 50 cents? And it looks like we found one right here around the corner. Also, we are right by a slew of phone shops. So should we ever need a phone, well, we won't have to walk that far to get one. But also, and I think somebody asked me about this once, where the Japanese used store was, and there it is. And we are just right down that little alley down there. So we're really close to this Japanese used store. They have a lot of very nice items. I haven't been inside yet. But this is the main road off our little road or alley, whatever you want to call it, that our apartment is on. They have a sofa making. They make chairs and sofas and things. That's pretty cool. Huh. I can dig that. We had just bought some more gas for our cooker. We're about to make something to eat, and for some reason it won't spark, it won't turn on. So, not sure if it's the cooker or if it's just those gas canisters we got, the holes maybe aren't opening up. Not sure what that is, unfortunately. Ooh, we got some steamed crab going on here. Wow. And some oysters. Nice little area. Come in here and sit down. Yeah. So when we get to the main market in this part of town, I'll let you know. Alright guys, we actually just got done finished eating here. And if you ever get the chance, if you're ever down this road, you gotta stop here. You have to stop here. Oh my goodness. I just had a big, huge bowl of beef soup with noodles, fresh onions, and a broth that I would literally put on anything. I would put that broth on a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I would put that broth on a pizza. Seriously, just give me a piece of bread and I would cover it with that broth and eat it. Put it in a bottle, I would drink it. That was a very delicious bowl. And Senglai, as you saw from the picture, she had some oysters, clams, whatever they were. That's what she wanted. But we got all of that you saw in the picture for $4. And I'm telling you right now, for that bowl of noodles to be, I believe that was $1.75, and the clams were $2.75 or something like that. But for that was a bargain. I wouldn't let it go to waste, but I did have a hard time finishing them last couple bites because it was so big, so huge. It was like a never-ending bowl. Oh, thing of beauty right there. And it's really important to note that that beef, which really rarely happens here, was so tender. And it had just enough fat on there to make it tasty and juicy. And it melted in your mouth. It was I can't give them enough praise, is what I'm saying, for that price, for that big of a bowl. So yeah, I think and the coffee is really good too. Coffee is really good. So yeah. And if you're, no, go home? No. Tortilla? Oh, okay. Okay. She wants to go check on the cooker and see if we can figure out why that doesn't work. But anyway, it's been a hectic couple days having to move like that. But as always, everything worked out. And we'll soon be getting back to normal. We're out to buy me a cell card. I did not have class last night. I canceled it because, of course, everything that was going on. I thought I would cancel tonight's too, but I decided against that. As long as I got my cell card, I'll have enough internet so I can send them a message, say the class is back on for tonight. We only missed one day. And I hate doing that, but sometimes circumstances force us to. But we'll be back on for tonight. Alright, I know this video is short, but I just wanted to share with you our little moving adventure. And you'll be seeing plenty more of this area in the future. Right now we're here, you can see that various types of, cookers and fans, air conditioners, griddles, can openers, blenders, irons. I don't know what that is up there. There you go. Rows and rows of things. Alright. TVs too. They have some TVs up there. You see?
refrigerators. Oh yeah, they got fridges, washers, dryers. They got a whole little electronics store here. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys in the next one. And as always, don't forget to check out all my links down below. If you want to donate through PayPal or join my Patreon, help support our humanitarian efforts here, the links are down below. Or you can do it anonymously without signing up for anything at buymeacoffee.com/DDC. That link is also down below. If you donate to any of those things, you will receive exclusive videos, updates, pictures, and more. Also, there are links down below to other channels in Cambodia you should check out. They're very good and always putting out content. All my social media is also down below, so be sure to check all those out. Okay, thank you everybody, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.